अब बढ़ेंगे इस कार्यक्रम में अगली कैटेगरी की और मारिया, ब्रेकआउट सेलिब्रिटी ऑफ द ईयर, नई कैटेगरी।
यस एंड
हाँ बिल्कुल, हम मंच पर बुलाना चाहेंगे हमारी जूरी मेंबर एक बार फिर जानी मानी अभिनेत्री आशा पारिक जी को। आशा मैम, वी आर रियली सॉरी बट हम आपके करिश्मे से निकल ही नहीं पा रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू, प्लेजर। आई एम रियली सॉरी, बार बार तंग करने के लिए माफी। आशा पारिक जी मंच पे हैं, अब देखते हैं किसको मिलता है इस बार ब्रेकआउट सेलिब्रिटी ऑफ द ईयर।
Breakout Celebrity of the Year, Shalini Pasi.
A big round of applause, friends. जोरदार तालियां
Shalini Pasi is making waves in the art world with a series of recent successes that highlight her as a cultural force to reckon with. She is a learner, not a liver. That famous line, Shalini, the world is discovering a little bit of Shalini Pasi through every interview of hers. What is it that we do not know till now? A revelation on NDTV platform, please.
So I think like you said, I'm a learner for life, and you'll have to keep just waiting and watching, I guess. And I have to say this, that Asha Parekh ji has been such an inspiration. Not that I've achieved anything in the film world, but like her looks, her grace, her dances, her hairdo, her eyeliner, and her beauty, and her everything. I'm absolutely obsessed with her. And even for some, may I just say this, because even I've been sending your pictures to all my makeup artists for the show, and I'll personally send you some of my looks. They've been inspired by her, some of them.
Wow, yeah. Ma'am. You have had several fans, ma'am, on
Such
the stage you have had several fans.
Several fans, yeah.
From Ananya to Shalini.
We can't just, I mean, and it's such a coincidence that I have admired you since I was a kid. And now I'm getting this award from you. I'm so emotional for this.
एक क्वेश्चन और मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा शालिनी, आप अपने आप को इतना ऑथेंटिक और इतना ओरिजिनल कैसे रख पाती हैं? इसके पीछे का राज क्या है?
इसके पीछे का राज है कि मैं एक दिन में और बहुत चीज़ें करती हूँ, तो मेरे पास किसी भी चीज़ का रिहर्सल करने का टाइम नहीं रहता है। तो जो मेरे मन में होता है, जो उस मोमेंट में होता है, वो मैं कर लेती हूँ। और अपने आप को रिहर्स करने से फिर उसका कोई फ़ायदा तो होता नहीं ना, जो है वो है। इट्स वेरी सिंपल।
And Shalini, one thing which comes across whenever we hear of you or see you is that you have kept it absolutely original. Like me or leave me, that kind of attitude, And you tend to be a great inspiration for
I was hoping everyone would leave me alone, but I don't know, it's not worked.
Shalini, what next now? Big Boss coming up?
No, but I think just lots of things. Also, I want to use this platform, which is so huge, for the work that I've been doing with UNICEF and for the Art Foundation. So my actual vision is to use all this fame and the love that I'm getting to reach out to people to support Indian contemporary art, crafts in our country, and of course various causes that I'm passionate about. So in my own world, I had reached a glass ceiling, and this was the way forward. That's what I thought, and maybe it will work. And with all your support.
Yes, before I let you go, I mean, is there the second season of Bollywood Wives coming up in which we'll see more of you? And as Sumit said, a follow-up question on Big Boss. Will there be, some kind of reality television calling for Shalini Pasi?
So you'll have to wait and watch. There's lots of things which are coming, and I'm being pulled in all different directions, but I'll do what inspires me and what I feel is most useful to my cause.
क्या आप लास्ट क्वेश्चन विद परमिशन ऑफ मारिया,
ऑफ कोर्स,
क्या आप अपने आइडियाज का, विचारों का को पेटेंट कराने की सोच रही हैं क्या?
No, I really, the reason I'm so honest and I'm so frank, and I want people to, it's been so many years, decades, where I've just alone only just chugged and chugged without people not understanding, people not. So now I want everybody to join me so we all can be effective.
Is there a sense that Shalini Pasi was discovered by the world little late?
My
or do you think
friends-
that this is the right time? I mean, whatever, it's their loss, it's our loss, that we did not know much of you.
I don't know, like I was very happy where I was. My friends, family, and my people who I work with knew how passionate I am about various things that I do. And it also takes a lot of personal courage to come on a bigger platform. And I think when the time is right, things just happen. You don't really have to push for things. And I have Asha Parekh ji just standing there. I just want to keep looking at her.
So, Asha Parekh ji, will you convey something to Shalini? She wants to listen from you as well.
What do you want to listen? Oh, my voice. Well, all the best to you. Whatever you are doing, God give you lots and lots of name, fame, and prosperity.